There was once a man named Elias who felt like he had lost everything. His dreams, broken. His strength, gone. The world around him felt cold, empty, hopeless. He sat alone in a dark room, staring at the small candle flickering beside him. It was the last light in his world, and even that was fading. His mind was heavy with doubt. The voices in his head whispered, "Give up. There is nothing left for you." For a moment he believed them. He reached out, ready to blow out the candle, to let the last light die. But just as he leaned in, a voice, soft but firm, filled the room. "Do not put out your last light, Elias, for even a single flame can chase away the darkness." Elias froze. He looked around, but there was no one there. And yet, something inside him stirred, a feeling he hadn't known in a long time. Hope. He pulled his hands away from the flame and watched as it flickered. It was small, fragile, but still burning. And then he realized the darkness in his life was real, but it was not stronger than his light. He took a deep breath and stood up. Instead of letting his last candle die, he opened the window. And as the first rays of morning light poured in, he understood something powerful. The night does not last forever, and neither does pain. Even in your darkest hour, there is still light. Even when you feel lost, hope is not gone. As long as you have even one small flame, you have enough to start again. So hold on. Keep going, because even the smallest flame can ignite a fire of hope, strength, and a new beginning.